Pharma event compliance isn't just about ticking regulatory boxes, it directly impacts how you manage your budget. In an industry where every dollar must be justified and every activity auditable, building a reliable pharma event budget with compliance in mind is non-negotiable. Let's talk about how you can create a worry-free, compliant event budget that satisfies regulators, finance teams, and healthcare professionals alike. Start by understanding that pharmaceutical event planning is fundamentally different from general event planning. The compliance requirements, like caps on HCP hospitality, fair market value assessments, and international transparency laws, shape how funds can be allocated. So, step 1, segment your budget by compliance-sensitive categories. This includes speaker fees, travel and accommodation for HCPs, venue costs, meals, educational materials, and AV services. Each of these must meet compliant pharma event management standards. For instance, when budgeting for travel and lodging, align with local and international guidelines. In many cases, business class airfare or luxury accommodations for HCPs are not permitted. Budget for economy class travel and modest hotels, and always document how these decisions align with compliance policies. Next, speaker and consultant fees. Use a fair market value calculator or partner with an agency familiar with FMV benchmarking for your region. Overpaying can trigger red flags and lead to audits. Underpaying could discourage participation from qualified professionals. Strike the right balance by documenting the rationale for each fee. Let's talk meals and entertainment. In pharma event compliance, this is a major area of scrutiny. Many countries impose strict monetary caps on meals, and some prohibit entertainment altogether. Your budget should reflect allowable limits per attendee, per day, and include a contingency buffer to avoid accidental overspending. Venue selection also plays a major role in budgeting. High-end resorts might be appealing, but they can appear non-compliant if the focus shifts from education to luxury. Choose venues that support the scientific goals of the event and meet regional compliance expectations. This approach not only protects your budget, it protects your brand. Now let's not forget about AV and tech. While these might seem like back-end costs, they must also be compliant. For example, recording sessions with HCP speakers, you'll need proper consent forms, data protection, and secure storage, all of which should be budgeted for in advance. One of the most overlooked aspects of compliant pharma event budgeting is documentation. Every expense should be auditable. That means maintaining a digital paper trail, using expense management software, and aligning with your company's compliance SOPs. Lastly, factor in compliance review time and costs. Whether you're using internal resources or outsourcing to an agency, build in a line item for compliance review of content, speaker contracts, and event logistics. This ensures your budget accounts for the full scope of compliant pharma event management. In summary, a reliable pharma event budget isn't just about numbers. It's about aligning every financial decision with regulatory expectations. By planning with compliance in mind, you reduce risk, increase transparency, and deliver events that meet both business and ethical standards.